Energy is at the forefront of revolutionising how we generate and consume electricity. Our cutting-edge solar power and wind turbine solutions can transform your home or business by lowering your energy bills.
Hi, I'm Sinead McNichol from Roe Park Resort. We installed TRE solar panels last October, and since then we've been reaping the benefits ever since. The main reason for installing the solar panels was to reduce costs, to offset our carbon footprint and to keep in line with our sustainability strategy of net zero by 2050. Since then we have offset our carbon emissions by 60 tonnes.
TRE Energy are a leading renewable energy company based right here in Northern Ireland. We saw an opportunity to tap into our power of wind and solar, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and making a positive impact on our environment. We have grown steadily and contributing significantly to Northern Ireland's renewable energy capacity. Today, TRE Energy stands as a pioneering force in the region's clean energy sector.
With years of experience and a team of highly skilled engineers, we are at the forefront of renewable energy innovation. We understand that each business is unique, and our solutions are tailored to your specific needs and goals, ensuring maximum efficiency and return on investment. Our solar panels and wind turbines are built to last, delivering long-term performance and durability backed by comprehensive warranties. We provide end-to-end support from initial consultation and installation to maintenance and ongoing monitoring, ensuring your energy system operates seamlessly.
Our dedication and innovation and sustainability has led us to develop and operate wind farms and solar parks across Northern Ireland. We are proud to provide clean energy for homes, businesses and communities, powering a brighter future for all.
My name is John Adams, co-founder and owner of TRE Energy Limited. The energy generated can be used for space heating, it can be used to charge and light the car, it can be used to run the computers in the office, it can be used for a cold store, so many variations. The goal is always the same: replace 99% of your imported electricity from the national grid. It's free energy forever. It both saves the environment and saves your pocket.
By embracing renewable energy, you will significantly lower your energy costs, access government incentives and improve your brand reputation. Let TRE Energy be your trusted partner and join us on our incredible journey towards sustainability and lowering energy costs. Contact us today to book your personalised consultation and learn about how our solar panels and wind turbines can transform your organisation, your home, your community and your planet. Together we can create a greener, brighter future.